We're here at Orchon, and we're gonna do the spicy ramen challenge.
What in the world is she doing?
Finish the first bowl.
Oh!
Filipino people don't eat spicy food.
I wouldn't recommend it if you care about your face.
We are in for a very special treat today. Aloha. And you want to talk a little bit about where that name came from?
Born 1983, that's the year of the pig. And then the lady is my mom.
Dude, that is so good. You're missing out.
My great uncle Ted opened up hundreds of donut shops for Cambodian refugees. My dad and my mom got to actually train in one down in Orange County. It provided for all of us to live and make it here in America.
Oh my gosh, it's so unique.
Yeah.
This restaurant is nose to tail, so we're gonna eat almost every part of the pig.
This is a luxury right here,
Yeah.
right? When you look at the skill level and there's art to creating these dishes.
We call these our dotiao.
Oh!
In the menu, it's translated in English as Chinese donut.
What kind of noodles are we gonna eat today?
We're gonna be eating some black bean noodles. I consider this like the high class version, which is the one that you're eating. So.
Well,
How does it taste? Can you describe it?
classy.
There's no such thing as bad publicity. And awareness gets them to maybe sample or think about something.
Technically, I do appropriate from different cultures, but I like to think I do it because I'm trying to come from a place of flavor and respect. You know, just put it in your mouth. If you don't like it, that's all right. But if you do, you might discover something new that you wouldn't have otherwise because you thought too much about it.
I'll get a lot of this to go.